Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. So we are making dinner, and today I bought full chicken because I couldn't find um, chicken which is already cut. So we are going to cut it together, and I'm not good at cutting chicken, so we're gonna do it together. And if you see me doing it the wrong way, please do share how you cut your chicken. So yeah, let's go. So I do want to have thighs and drumsticks cut properly, even wings. Then the rest, I mean, I can cut it anyhow. Doesn't matter. The wings are just too tough, but yeah, I'm trying. So there's too much skin here, so I'm gonna try and remove it because I mean, I don't need this. Okay, so we are starting with salt and black pepper, paprika, onion powder, there's this chicken spice which I like the most. I normally buy it at Pick and Pay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of these, and then mixed herbs, and, lemon juice, oil, and now let's mix. I don't have gloves, so please don't judge. I'm just gonna use my hand until everything combines properly. So once all the spices are combined and the chicken is coated very well, so we're gonna keep it in the fridge and let it sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight so that the spices can go in properly. Okay, so now we are moving on to our garlic bread. So we're gonna start with a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of yeast, 3/4 cup of warm water. So we are going to let it sit for like 10 minutes or until it's foamy. So we are adding 2 cups of flour, salt, some butter, and then we mix. So we are going to knead until Jesus comes. I'm joking, for like 10 minutes. We just want the dough to be smooth and consistent. So this is how it's supposed to look. So let's oil the bowl. So I'm going to use mozzarella and cheddar cheese, but I'm going to use a little bit of cheddar cheese because I want mozzarella to be the dominant cheese. So I only have this little bit of mashed garlic which is left. So I'm going to chop fresh garlic and then put it in here, mix it together so that I have enough to use for my garlic bread. So let's shake it so that the fresh garlic can be coated with that garlic juice which is in here. Okay, so this is melted butter. We are going to add our garlic in here, some parsley, And then let's mix. I almost forgot to add some salt. So we are stacking everything on top of each other. So we are going to cover it and leave it for 20 minutes, and then we'll start baking. Good. Here's our chicken, well marinated. So now we're gonna put it in a pan and then take it to the oven. So I love butter, so I'm gonna put a little bit of butter here. So let's put both of these in the oven. So we are taking out the bread, and the chicken is not yet ready. And here is our garlic bread. So it came out perfectly. So let's see. Oh my goodness. So we are going to make the avocado salad with these ingredients. Okay, so let's put everything in a bowl, starting off with tomatoes, then the avocado, then cucumbers, red onions, and parsley. So this is the dressing for the salad. Mm. Dinner is served. Look at how beautiful this meal is. Okay, so let's dish up, starting with our bread. Oh, the salad looks so good. Oh my god, this is so delicious. Okay, people, this is how dinner looks like. So I think I've shown a step-by-step process on how to get this meal. So I believe I'm going to get comments where with pictures of how you made your dinner. And thank you so much for joining me tonight. Um, I hope I'm going to see you again. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. Y'all know it's all chocolate love.